Blackberry whiskey is considered by some to be superior to sloe gin, and when I say some, I mean me. Put 350 grams of washed blackberries into a large container and add 175 grams of granulated sugar. Top up with 700 ml of whiskey. You can use Scotch or bourbon depending on your preference. Shake the container to mix in the sugar, and then shake once a day for a few days until the sugar remains dissolved. After 3 months, decant into bottles for a funnel lined with a muslin cloth. Whilst you can drink this straight away, it does benefit from aging for a year or more, if you can wait that long. So, 3 months in the making. Let's crack open a bottle and see what it's like. Oh. Smells amazing. Ooh, that. Well, that's quaffable. Yeah, 3 months in the making and 1 night in the drinking. So yeah, give it a go, and I'll catch you next time. Goodbye. Ooh.